Man, like, I lost a trade yesterday, and the experience was not a beautiful one. I felt so down. Like, even right now, I'm still thinking of some things. Like, to an extent, I'm actually very weak and discouraged. Not for myself, because I placed 7 trades, like 7 different trades. Each one was a successful trade, like each one hit TP. Or if I get a sign that there will be reversal in the plan of me hitting TP, I'm going to call off the trade. But at least 5 trades in a row hit the take profit. So it has been a very beautiful experience until yesterday that I called trade on XAUUSD and I hit the stop loss. But my pain is not about me, because I know this is a game of you either win or you lose. But for the fact that 90% of the time I hit the take profits as a Forex trader, it was actually a very beautiful thing. But then my pain for losing yesterday's trade was because I recently began to give out signals for free in Ovampa Community on Telegram. So a lot of newbie Forex traders were beginning to feel interested in Forex trading, because when they saw the result of several people that got these signals from me, they were actually impressed. So a lot of these newbies, they just managed to learn how to fund their XNES account, connect XNES to MetaTrader 5, and how to take my signals. That was all they knew. Yesterday, being Monday, was the time that most of them, like majority of them, joined newly. And now their account was wiped off, because most of them actually started. I was seeing somebody that was asking me how to make it in Forex trading with $10, another person $15, $20, $30, you know, that kind of stuff. I believe most of them did not even have enough fund to last till the end of the trade if it was to go against us. You get? So this is where my pain is, in the sense that these guys do not prepare properly financially for the trade, and now they simply want to get a signal and upgrade their knowledge. And what if I didn't call it and then have a profit like before? And I even noticed the reason for that loss. One was that there was a major news yesterday that pushed the value of dollar. So most of the pairs that has dollar in them were actually bearish all through yesterday. If you traded yesterday, the 28th day of July, you should know. Just check it out. So most of the pairs that has US dollars with it was actually bearish yesterday. And not just that, I've been following the ICC strategy to trade, and I made a mistake that particular yesterday. I knew I called that trade quite too early. That loss, I can't really imagine. Okay, take it for instance, you just got into trade and then you had your first trade and you just lost it, and you were trying to get the signal from someone you believe actually has this result. In case you are one of those people that took my trade for the first time and you had a loss, like your account was wiped because of less than $40 loss, this is what I would like to say. If you do not have capital, you have no need trading. Do not trade with your last card. Like, if you're starting Forex trading, don't have all the mind, I want to use this $10 to make $100. No, that is the wrong way to go. Have in mind that I want to learn the skill. This skill can make me live the dream life I want, which in summary, everybody wants freedom. That thing that you can term happiness, whatever it is, that will make you you feel you have the freedom to travel any part of the world, buy any car or jet you want, and the rest of that. I believe that is the general goal, okay? Whether you're helping your family, your friends, whatever, those are things that gives you fulfillment and that freedom from that limitation, right? Yeah, that's just the goal, however you put it. Have that in the back of your mind and know and say to yourself that this particular forex trading skill that I am learning, the exact thing I need to be able to do this, all right, to fulfill this goal, to fulfill this dream of mine, that this dream of mine will be a reality if I can discipline myself to make this forex trading a skill that will take me throughout my lifetime. This skill will help me to resign from my current job. This forex trading skill will help me to be okay for life. So I'm going to be starting with this $200. Man, if you don't have money, like, just try. You are working, find a skill or job around you, whatever it is, make some money, be having your savings in your broker, the broker you connected to your MetaTrader 5, okay? Have it as where you are saving, and do not trade unless you understand it, so that you won't want to put the blame of loss in a trade on someone else. All right, yeah, so even if you're taking a signal, let it be that at least you understand the concept, you understand the reality about losses and profits, so that you will not just be in for I want to win, I want to win, I will only win. It is not possible. Start by having capital. Start thinking about having capital. Do those things that will make you to have capital. Gradually get little fund. Pass through that process. If you don't like go through that process of building, you will not sustain it. Okay, so if you use $10 and get $100, what next? You could just blow it up the next day. But if you understand that patient strategy of growing gradually, building gradually, you're actually going to scale. So see forex trading like a skill. Man, you want to learn a skill, you take your time, you even go physically on transit, or you take your car and you go learning the skill. You put in all your time, your energy, but then the moment you mention forex trading, because you see people flaunting cars and charging thousands of dollars for mentorship and doing a whole lot with the money from forex trading, you believe, man, with this $100 right now, I just want to get $10,000 immediately. It is not done that way. This is a process, okay? Yeah, although 1 in 100 people might do something maybe at a period where there is a news and it goes in their way and they make a whole lot of money at once. But don't come with that mindset that you're just coming to cash out. You're coming to build yourself. You're coming to discipline your impatience. You're coming to build your tenacity to grow financially and as an individual, in your mindset, in trading, and in all ramifications of your life. Because the truth is, if you are disciplined enough to trade forex exactly as it is, you are disciplined for real. Have it in mind that in this game of forex trading, there will be losses, but there will be a lot of wins. There will be a lot of profits. It is risky, but it's not actually as difficult as it is. The reason I'm making this video is because even as I'm making it, like I'm saying this out now, I actually feel relieved about this loss. However it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this.